Have you noticed something lately? Even when you're not working, your mind still feels tired. You wake up, but you do not feel rested. You sit down to focus, but your attention keeps drifting. And sometimes even small tasks feel strangely heavy. Many people think this means they are lazy. But in many cases, the real problem is something else. Your nervous system may simply be overwhelmed. Most people today live in a constant state of stimulation. Notifications, deadlines, news, social media, endless information. Your brain was not designed to process this much input all the time. And when stimulation becomes constant, the nervous system slowly shifts into survival mode. Not panic, not crisis, just quiet, continuous tension. This is why you may feel tired even when you're not physically exhausted. Your body is not resting. It is simply stuck in a low-level stress response. When the nervous system stays activated too long, something interesting happens. Your brain starts protecting itself. Focus becomes harder, motivation drops, you procrastinate more. Not because you're weak, but because your system is trying to conserve energy. So, the real solution is not forcing more discipline. It is learning how to reset your nervous system. The reset is surprisingly simple, but most people ignore it. First, reduce stimulation even for a short moment. 5 minutes, no phone, no music, no conversation, just quiet. This small pause allows your nervous system to slow down. Second, slow your breathing. You do not need complicated techniques. Just breathe slowly through your nose. Let the exhale be slightly longer than the inhale. This signals safety to your body. Third, move gently. Not intense exercise. Just walking, stretching, or standing outside for a moment. Movement helps release built-up tension inside the nervous system. Fourth, reduce unnecessary decisions. Mental fatigue often comes from decision overload. Simplify small things: clothes, meals, daily routines. The fewer decisions you make, the calmer your system becomes. And finally, protect quiet moments during your day. Not productivity breaks, not scrolling breaks, real quiet. Because the nervous system recovers in silence. Many people try to solve burnout by pushing harder. But sometimes the real answer is the opposite. Less stimulation, less urgency. More space for the mind to breathe. When your nervous system resets, something interesting happens. Focus returns naturally. Motivation feels lighter. And work no longer feels like constant resistance. Productivity does not always come from intensity. Sometimes it comes from calm. So if your mind has been feeling tired lately, you may not need more discipline. You may simply need a reset. And that reset can start today with something very small. Just a few quiet minutes for your nervous system to slow down again. If this reflection resonated with you, Stay with this idea for the next few days. Observe your energy. Notice what happens when you allow your mind a little more space. And in the next episode, we will explore another question many people quietly struggle with: why your brain feels busy all the time, even when your life doesn't seem that complicated.